Right, when we get it out of the box, it comes in a couple pieces. All right, this is a larger piece here. Package makes this is the back end. You got the hand rest and a couple other things that you need to activate and set them up together. Now, out of the box, it's pre-built already. Only a couple things need to be attached, and that's it. Now, before you actually stand it up straight, make sure you remove the foam. So that's what we're gonna do next. Make sure you don't pull the cable because you're gonna need it for later. So that slides in here. And that's pretty much almost done, if you guys can see that. So we're gonna slide the other one, and they both have different sides. That's right, and this is left. They have L and R, and all you gotta do is slide it in. All right, here's the final couch results, if you guys can see it. So they have different colors. We choose white because we're gonna put everything white and gray here. Beautiful design. Now you need a plug to actually make this go back, all right? So recline. That's the way. Now this thing swivels a 360. You don't have to worry about the cable either. If you guys can see, just make sure that the box is out of the way, and then you're able to twist this completely if you want. Button selection is right here. There's only 2 buttons, back and forward, and then there's 2 charging stations, a type A and a type C for phones, so you could be relaxed watching TikToks, watching YouTube while you take a nap. And they include the little nice little pillow, put in your back and your neck.